Hello students, welcome back. So in my last lecture on nutrition, you have seen that which major two procedures takes place in the process of photosynthesis, that is splitting of water and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Okay? Moving ahead, what is the significance of solar light in photosynthesis is that this is the light which we are receiving from sun, that is light energy. Light which is in the which we are receiving from sun can be said to be as light energy or solar energy, which is picked up by the chlorophyll molecules of green plants, and it is converted into the chemical bond of your food particles. Okay. Now the next thing which plants will require during the process of photosynthesis is water, and this water is absorbed by the plants from the soil by their roots. Okay. Next, which is an important content of photosynthesis required for photosynthesis, is carbon dioxide. Now, this carbon dioxide is taken by the plants from its surrounding atmosphere. Atmosphere से ये carbon dioxide plants लेते हैं. Massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in leaves. Massive जो maximum gaseous exchange होता है वो leaves से होता है through a pore which is meant for the process. ठीक है. Now this pore which is meant for the process of gaseous exchange in plants is known as stomata. ठीक है. Now the important concern for us is to know about how this stomatal opening or this pore का opening regulates. ठीक है. ये pore की opening कैसे regulate होती है, that is an important concern for us. So our next topic is opening and closing of stomata. So first of all, we'll come to know what stomata is. Stomata are tiny opening or pores which is found mostly on the underside of plant leaf and is used for the purposes gaseous exchange. So what it is, it's a tiny pore or opening, mostly पाए जाते हैं underside of the plant leaf, and purpose is gaseous exchange. Now what happens is these pores are guarded by a pair of specialized cells. There are specialized cells which are guarding these pores, these stomatal pores, and these specialized types of cells are called guard cells. ठीक है, guard cells कहते हैं, and these guard cells which are guarding, which are specialized types of cell which are guarding these pores are responsible for regulating the opening or the size of the opening of the pore. Okay. The opening and closing of pore is guarded by a function of guard cells. The guard cells swell when water flows in them, causing the stomatal pore to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cell shrinks. Okay, these guard cells are basically bean-shaped cells. These are basically bean-shaped cells. Can you just see over here? These are bean-shaped cells. Okay. Now when these bean-shaped cells के अंदर जब water का inflow होता है, what will happen when the water will flow inside? What happens? It will stretch, फूलेगा. फूलने से क्या होगा? This inner lining of the guard cells will be taken away, taken apart. Okay. Likewise यहाँ पे भी अगर पानी आएगा तो आपका ये swell करेंगे, swell करने की वजह से क्या होगा कि this size will get open, है ना. जब ये open हो जाएगा तो gaseous exchange हो सकती है. Once the water is drained out from these cells, इन cells से water निकल जाएगा तो ये क्या होंगी? shrink कर जाएंगी. shrink करेंगी तो ये walls जो हैं या जो यहाँ पे membrane है ये क्या हो जाएगा? एक दूसरे से close approximation में आ जाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से now this pore will close. So now you understand how this pores function, how this pore gets open and close. Okay. These are basically present under surface of leaves. I am just showing all these mesophyll cells are of leaves which I am showing. It's the lower epidermis of the leaves, and you can easily make out on the lower surface, lower epidermis. These are the stomatal pores. These are the stomatal pores guarded by these guard cells. Here a cross section of it is shown. यहाँ पे cross section दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको. ठीक है, and this is how this guard cells function. Okay.